My name is Daniel Volan. I'm the Chief Program Officer at Girls Who Code. I'm thrilled to talk a little bit about Industry Immersion Days, which are day-long workshops that help our students envision what a tech career looks like today.
It always offers a chance for connection. It's in person, it is with students, it is with corporate sponsors, volunteers, guest speakers. You just can't find it elsewhere.
When I first walked in, everybody was just sitting to themselves, just very nervous.
We have a strong culture of icebreakers. There's a lot of laughter, and we always encourage it. Anything that gets our students interacting with our volunteers as well as each other.
It was so fun. I've just been smiling the whole day.
We are physically interacting with them, so they can also ask us questions. It allows them to explore emerging technologies.
The thing that surprised me the most about the activities was how creative it was. You think coming into it, you're just gonna learn a lot of tech, and believe me, there's a lot of that. But you also get to learn the creative aspect of it and how you creatively can create solutions.
They use coding even when we think it's nothing to do with technology. It's really amazing to see.
The students were engaged and excited, and they were creating personal portfolios and very engaged with us.
I heard so many amazing ideas and design strategies. It's quite impressive.
It was really, really impressive to see students blend AI, creativity, and big data.
We were laughing and joking and creating something together, and we were talking about it even after the session ended. We were all really proud of it.
It's made me optimistic that the students through Girls Who Code programs are going to be the biggest problem solvers.
Watching these girls gain confidence, build technical skills, and seeing themselves as the future leaders is truly inspiring.
When I was little, I didn't get this kind of chances. So I feel that the new generations are getting these kind of additional help that they can decide whether they want to go into technology or medicine, whatever it is. And I'm really happy to be part of their journey.
The reason why I volunteer is I want to see that field more representative of what we have in our community and our society.
They all have the mindset of bettering the world and helping one another, and I think that's key for the future.
Today, I can see the true example of what sisterhood is. It's very supportive, very fun, very exciting.